It's been a tough go for EV stocks, and EVgo is no different. However, one analyst on Wall Street thinks there will be decent upside in the coming months. Before we look at this work of art, let's look at this article. It is coming from investing.com. Benchmark sees more than 50% upside in EVgo. So Benchmark analysts initiated coverage of EVgo with a buy rating and a $3 price target. The target represents over 50% upside from its current price. The investment firm highlights EVgo's focus on strategically located fast charging stations in high traffic areas as a key driver for future growth. Benchmark projects EVgo to achieve positive EBITDA by the end of next year. The model estimates the company can add 800 charging stalls annually. The analysts believe EVgo is well positioned to capitalize on the rapidly growing EV market. They cite industry estimates suggesting a 30% compound annual growth rate for DC fast charging ports through 2030. Now, looking long term, Benchmark sees EVgo's owned and operated model as potentially a recurring cash flow machine. They estimate a 30% cash flow margin per start charging station by 2026, up from 10% in Q1 2024. With that said, this is the weekly chart. Let's zoom out to the monthly chart. Again, I do have three levels of interest. Round hole psychological level at $1. $4, which is where we had support, now should serve as resistance. And then $7 also was support, should serve as resistance. Big picture, you have a wedge pattern. You have price respecting this upper portion of the wedge. And so, not that you have to look at the charts every day. Come once a week, come once a month. But you can't even think about getting bullish until you see a candle close above this upper portion of the wedge channel. Let's start drilling down. This is the weekly chart. And right now you have a triple bottom formation. One touch, two touch, three touches. This, what I like to call happy face. It's just projecting this roundabout bottoming accumulation phase. This roundabout accumulation phase, I'm looking for a W pattern. So this triple bottom could be one portion of the double bottom. I'm looking for the next double bottom to form, or the next bottom to form that double bottom, which can take months. You had a false W bottom. Not really false, because price never took out this $4 level. So I'm going to take this off the chart. And also you do want to see when price does eventually break up to the upside. You want to see it done on somewhat large volume, kind of like this candle here, or this candle here. Again, another confluence to support going long. When it comes to the moving averages, you want to see the momentum moving averages, the blue and the orange, start to point up, cross over the 50-day moving average or weekly moving average. Sort of kind of like what we have taking place on the daily chart. Your momentum moving averages, the blue and the orange, at the bullish crossover, starting to cross over the 50. You want to see that get over the 100. And then eventually you want to see price action attack this 200-day moving average, which would coincide with a crossover and a close above this downtrend line. So although benchmark sees 50% upside, no one knows when that's going to happen, but look out for the clues I just gave. If you're bullish about the EV space, you may want to put EVgo on your watch list. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.